Good day to you all. In today's lesson, we are looking at the format of the business letter. So we want to write down the format of a business letter. Kana tichiti format of a business letter, tiri kureva kuti tinombonyora sei business letter yacho. That is, kana question ikauya ichida kuti tinyore business letter, be it from our tests or our examinations. How do we write a business letter? So the first thing we do, we have to write down our own address. So when we write down our address, we have to write it at the top right corner. So at the top right corner, in our case, it's this one. Kunoku ndiko kuwrite, as you can see. Then from the top right corner, we write our own address. An example is going to be 123 Main Street. So in your address yedu isusu vari kunyora tsamba yacho, Harare, like that. So this is the address. You'll be given the address, or you have to speculate the address, but it's going to be as obvious as it can be. So that's the address we are dealing with, 123 Main Street, Harare. Or let me put an address which is more fuller. Santoda kuisa address iri more practical, tichitarisa nzvimbo dzatinogara. So let me put this down as an address, number 7, Darling Close, itori nzvimbo chaiyo chaiyo, Hatfield, Harare. Saka address yedu iri kutaura, this is a residential address. Nganditi ndini ndinogara pa number 7 Darling Close, Hatfield, Harare. I write my address ku top right corner. After I have written my address, ndinobva ndaskipa a line. Then I write the date. Saka what is the date today? As we can see, it is 23 October 2025. That is going to be the date. But panapa tichiri ku right side. Then takufanirwa kuchinyora the receiver's address. Saka yekutanga iyo yanga iri my personal address, inini ndiri kunyora tsamba yacho. Then takufanirwa kuchinyora the receiver's address. When it comes to the receiver's address, you have to remember when we first spoke about the business letter, we learned that a business letter is written to a non-relative recipient. So we are writing to a business official or someone we want to engage in terms of business. Be it to a headmaster, to a member of parliament, to a president, to a shop owner, and other professionals or officials to whom we address the letter. So the receiver's address, we write it on the left below our own address. So ngatiti truda kunyorera okay, or let us look for a school. Let's say we want to write to Sure High School. So we go to the left side, we write Sure High School. So I'm just going to fabricate the address. I don't know it precisely. So Sure High School, it is in Saka Jerera, Masvingo. So let us just take it like this. Again, you are going to be given the receiver's address. After we have done that, we have to go on to the greetings, the salutations. And in this case, we want to assume we are writing, but we don't know to whom we are writing. So because we don't know precisely who we are writing to, we just say DSA or Madam. But remember, we have to skip also a line. like that. So let us just give a rough summary. We have written our own address on the right side. That is also where we write the date. Then we go on to the left where we write the receiver's address. We skip a line. We write DSA or MEDEM. After having done this, we now have to write our reference. So we put RE, a semicolon. Then maybe we are writing to either SA or MEDEM. We don't know. Hatisi kuziva kuti watiri kunyorera kana achagamuchira tsamba yedu anenge ari murume here kana mukadzi. For that same reason, that is why tati DSA or MEDEM. So when we write our reference, let us say we are looking for a school place. We want to be Form 1 and we want a place to be enrolled in. So we are going to say looking for a Form 1 place. Something as simple as this. Put our full stop. Then we have to underline the reference. So you underline with your straight ruler. Before I emphasize or continue with this, you have to know that when we are writing our address, we do not put full stops. Number 7, Darling Close, Hatfield, Harare, no full stop. 23 October 2025, no full stop on the date. The receiver's address, Sure High School, Sakajerera, Masvingo, no full stop. DSA or MEDEM, no full stop. But when it comes to the reference, we can put our full stop. After we have written the reference, then we go on to the body. So when we are talking about the body, what exactly are we concerned with? Now we start with our own writing. We give details politely, formally, clearly. Then we end with a closing sentence or statement, which is usually a thank you or expecting a reply. A quick example, which is not summative, but it serves as an example, is this. I'm writing to ask if your shop sells school uniforms. We would like to order uniforms for our class. Please let us know the prices and sizes available. Thank you for your help. So if we are to write this is our business letter, it means our reference should change. Maybe it's going to be inquiring for or looking for Form 1 school uniforms. You are writing to a SA or a MEDEM who is most likely a tailor or a shop owner. So after we have written the body, where we are going to emphasize, so I'm just going to say body, which is actually our main business letter or composition, ending with thank you. Then we go on to our closing. So when we close, we write yours faithfully. Then after writing yours faithfully, some say yours sincerely. You have to choose which one you are the most comfortable with, but you can just say yours faithfully. After you have written yours faithfully, you put down your name, Tapiwa, make it your full name, Hakurotwi Nyemba, and you have to sign. This will be my signature. So this is a general format, a general outlay of how we write a business letter. You have to consult with your teachers. You have to ask your teachers if they want you to write it this way. But this is just a general outlay. So let us just quickly summarize everything and go through some example. So when it comes to the format of a business letter, we start with our address. So that's our address. Remember to skip a line and we write the date. Then we come here, which is the recipient's address. We can say the recipient's address or simply the receiver's address, of which we also have to skip a line and we write salutations, and then we skip a line and we write our reference, which is just RE. We skip a line, we write the body, and then from the body we also skip a line, we write our conclusion or closing statements. Yours faithfully, Tapiwa Nyemba. Then you put down your signature. If we want to run down a practical example, let us say your address is 123 Main Street, Harare, 20 October 2025. So that's your address and date. You are writing to the manager of OK Supermarket, Harare. Then you go, dear sir or madam, you put your reference. After the reference, you write, I'm writing to ask if your shop sells school uniforms. Our school would like to buy some of the grade 6 class. Please send us the prices and the sizes you have. Thank you for your time. Yours faithfully, Tapiwa Nyemba. So what's important here is, once we write our reference, which would be inquiring for school uniform sizes and prices, for example, then we put down a very short, a business letter is short and concise, straight to the point. You don't have to beat about. You don't have to, business letter inofanirwa kuva short, ichitsanangura chaizvo zvamuroda kuziva, zvamuri kufunza kana kuti zvamuri kuda in terms of the business you are dealing with, the person who is going to receive your letter. So this is basically what we are expected to do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Thank you.